Water is the most consumed and underestimated wealth of our planet. You know that water, besides all these unique properties, is also the strongest solvent in nature? The rain cleanses her, and the snow gives her breath and life to the plants. And we earthlings poison her every day. Why we poison her with chemicals and kill nature by creating floating dead islands? You ask me how to deal without household chemicals. After all, we have enough water. But there is a technology from Japan that, thanks to the ultra-thin fibers in combination with only water, ensures that you throw out the chemicals. Cleaning our house can be ecological and environmentally friendly due to the uniqueness of the fibers that absorb dirt, dust and grease, destroys fungi and bacteria at surfaces without leaving streaks and without damaging them. They gently polish the glass. Disinfect your kitchen to make it clean and sterile, without a drop of household chemicals, only water and technology advanced eco-fibers from our Aqua Magic series take care of your home. At the company Greenway. Live safe and healthy in the eco-trend.